I will show you how to get unlimited access to Nano Banana Pro for free for a whole year. And right now, one of the few places offering this unlimited free deal is InVideo. But this offer lasts for 7 days only, so let me show you how to get it, why this model is crazy, and how you can use it to make money. Because I'm not sure if you've heard the news, but
what's in the box? What's in the f***ing box?
Google just dropped their strongest image model ever. It's fast, it listens perfectly,
The name's Bond. James Bond.
and it's free for an entire year, unlimited on InVideo.
3, 2, 1, and lift off.
Alright, so before we dive deeper into the new Nano Banana Pro and its crazy possibilities, let me show you how to secure your 1 year of unlimited free Nano Banana Pro, which is super simple. If you go with either of the InVideo paid plans, you get unlimited access to Nano Banana Pro for free on InVideo for the next 1 year. And then inside InVideo, click here on Agents and Models and access Nano Banana Pro with just one click. And you will see that your unlimited deal is activated. And now let's actually have some fun and test it out. So the new update is known for its uncensored accuracy in blending multiple objects into a scene while sticking closely to the prompt and appearance. So here, I have multiple images of well-known wealthy people that I want to blend into one realistic scene. We're going to upload all the reference images by clicking the plus icon, then write the following prompt. And as a result, we got this incredible realistic shot. As you can see, the facial accuracy and the way the whole scene came together is a clear step up from the previous version. I also tested a bunch of different prompts and they all came out looking amazing. I've also noticed that this model's database is impressive because now you can get super accurate results just by typing famous names without even uploading a reference image. So let's try, for example, close-up of Lionel Messi getting a haircut, realistic facial expressions, imperfect framing like a quick, candid snapshot, authentic, real-life vibe, no stylized look, raw atmosphere, with no reference image. Let's click Generate. As you can see, that is crazy good. The level of realism and accuracy completely blew me away. Like this one of Sam Altman, or this one of Elon Musk. And here's iShowSpeed standing next to his idol Cristiano Ronaldo. All of these were generated using text-only prompts with no reference images. Another mind-blowing feature that's about to completely change the way AI images look is the high level of character consistency and multi-angle generation. You can now literally generate any angle of any image you have. So I'm going to upload an image I previously generated and simply ask it to give me a side angle of that exact image. And as you can see here, everything stays consistent. The only thing that changes is the angle. Let's try a top-down angle and see how it looks. And again, it looks accurate. So really all you have to do is type in the angle you want, and it generates it in one click. Now, going back to multiple object blending. Here I've generated an image that includes 24 random objects, and I prompted Nano Banana to merge all 24 elements into one single image. If we look at the results, you'll see it literally took every single object I provided and blended them all into the final output. That is honestly incredible. Another unique way to edit images is using textual instructions. So in this image here, I added some instructions like, I want her to play the guitar. I also want her to look at the camera. And I want a random scary clown peeking from the window. So I basically uploaded the image and prompted, edit the image following the exact textual requirements. And as you can see, it followed the requirements precisely. The guitar, the look, the scary clown, all done using only text instructions. But beyond just the fun and creative stuff you can do with Nano Banana Pro, this update also opens up unlimited ways to actually make money. So let me show you a few simple examples of how to turn these new features into income. Starting with a huge photo editing service opportunity. You can now get Photoshop level edits just by typing a prompt. You can add any effect you want. Like in this one, I added a snow effect to the original scene, and it looks fantastic. Here, I added a rain effect. You can also relight and change the mood of any image. Here I tried a nocturnal fill, golden hour, cinematic haze. You get the idea. You can also edit outfit, like changing the color. As you can see, with just a simple prompt, I changed the shirt color while keeping the original image vibe. Or you can completely change the outfit, just like I did in this example here. Another thing you can do is transformation edits. Like here, I prompted it to turn her arms into chrome, and it looks amazing. And this is another example where I asked to turn both of her legs into robotic legs. Another thing you can do is add or remove elements. Like in this example, I added a snake around her neck and a big spider on her chest. It's actually wild how, with just a simple prompt, you get such realistic results. So yeah, if you really get how to use this update, you can make a ton of money just by turning photos into something cool. But trust me, that's not all, because I also see a golden opportunity in the AI product photography space. This listing right here offers the exact same service, and it has 8 orders in queue. So if we calculate based on the average price, they've got $250 sitting in the pipeline. Now here's the crazy part. The cost for product photography with a model usually ranges from around $1,000 to over $5,000 per day. But with Nano Banana Pro, you can generate super professional, studio quality product images. Let's take this face serum here as an example. As always, the first thing we need to do is provide a clear reference image of the product. Then I'm going to paste this prompt that I've prepared. I basically described the product, the model, and made sure to mention that the text must be clear and visible. Most important for these kind of images is to set the quality to 4K to get the best results. And look at this. I'm genuinely blown away. I'm 1000% sure that some company would have paid thousands of dollars to get results like this from a real studio with real models. The quality is super high, and the product, including the text label, is clear and readable, which wasn't even possible with the previous models. And then from here, you can just get creative with your prompts. Generate more model images, clean product shots, lifestyle scenes. Combine all of that together and sell it as a full content bundle. And I'm confident you can easily charge hundreds of dollars for that. And an upgrade you can add to that bundle is product infographic illustrations. There are services making thousands of dollars just by selling product infographics, mostly because it usually requires solid design skills. So let me show you how easy it is using Nano Banana. I'll take a screenshot of the product description and attach it next to the product image as a reference. Then I'll prompt, create a super detailed branded infographic image of this product that clearly shows the ingredients and benefits. And I'll even specify the font I want. Poppins. Now just take a look at this. I mean, I have no words. Normally you'd spend hours designing something like that. But here, all we did was write a prompt and we got this branded infographic done in seconds. Here's another version I generated and it looks mind-blowingly good as well. Another niche service you can offer is floor plan rendering. It's always in demand, like this listing here, which already has at least $500 in the pipeline. So let's take this bedroom plan as an example. I'll attach it as a reference and ask to turn it into a 3D render using the exact plan. And as you can see, the results are incredible and super precise. You can then ask for different angles like I did here with the bed and the carpet. That way, you can cover any client request you might get. And in my opinion, the best way to make money with AI right now is AI influencers. It's a huge trend, and I found this listing that sells AI model or influencer creation. The lowest price is $500, and they already have 3 orders in queue, so I'll let you do the math. And Nano Banana is great for keeping character consistency. As you can see, I started with this close-up image. Then I used it as a reference to generate all kinds of realistic influencer-style photos. So you can do the same thing and offer an AI influencer creation pack as a service.
But if you want to take your service to another level, I highly recommend you get the generative plan.
The NVIDIA Generative Plan gives you access to all the other AI models, like Google VO3 and Sora 2, which means you'll be able to bring your Nano Banana creations to life and explore other creative ideas. That way you can offer even more unique services, stand out, and earn more money.